things to unbox. Whew, goddamn. No corona. But yeah, we're about to unbox these, so I'm just going to time-lapse it, take everything out, and then show you guys what I got. So I'll get back to you guys in a second. Save this for last, but in the box we have front control arms, so definitely needed because I believe my bushes are blown, so might as well just place them all. Front tie rods or whatever they're called, adjustable and everything like that, so boom, because mine are again blown, so I need that. These are clutch stoppers. Not going to take these out, or pivot forks or whatever they're called, something like that. But that's this. I wasn't sure which one to use, so I got one that's plastic and one that's brass. So boom. And hopefully it's actually looking at you guys. This is a stainless steel brake line kit. So boom. Brake fluid, so hopefully this is good fluid. I didn't even think about it. Well, this came in the kit, so it didn't really matter, but I was thinking like maybe I should try to find like some higher performance ones, but this should be fine. If not, I could always just return it. These are the clutch lines. So I just did everything, like I upgraded everything but for performance because I didn't want to have to ever do anything again. So either buy it once, then have to buy it twice. Let's see what these are. These are, oh, this is the clutch, one of the clutch cylinders. And then this is the other cylinder. So boom, both of them brand new, because I'd rather just do it once and do it right. Again, I lost the knife. Oh, yep, I did. Oh, here we go. This happens every time. I'm the worst at unboxing videos, so. These are the lollipops, and oh, they're pressed in. That's perfect. I did not know that. In the pictures, they're not pressed in, so I thought we were gonna have to press them in, but we don't. I'm gonna see if I could probably even get the suspension stuff installed tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully I can. Then this, boom, tough box this. And then I also have like a whole bunch of other stuff, so you guys are gonna get quite a few unboxing videos. I'm not sure which order I'm gonna upload them in because I have a lot of content to do in general right now. So you guys are lucky. You're in for a lot of content. Like I ordered a whole bunch of stuff. So so yeah, nothing on dog. Rotted dread. Boom. This is gonna be like a somewhat of a controversial thing. Not for me, because I have experience with them, unlike a lot of people who are just guessing and be like, oh, my friend like died 3 times using these, they're not good, whatever crap. But I want to put my pussy blood cut is something I sharp, you know. Yo, when you guys are unboxing stuff, watch out. These staples are brutal. Me mama, this something a boxing tough, you know. Alright, boom. Godspeed, rare control, rare camera arms, whatever. A lot of people be like, oh, don't get Godspeed, they're trash, blah, blah, blah. I've had these on, I believe the Skyline had these. I've had them on the E36. I've had them on the 350Z. I've had them on something else. So, actually, I've had them on 2 E36s. But yeah, Godspeed ones are fine. And I'm pretty sure everybody knows Mike uses, I believe, these same ones on his SC. So, yeah, there's nothing wrong with Godspeed. Like, literally. Especially for a street car and whatnot, like, I'll be more than okay. And then, for the piece de resistance from Der Coupling Meister, DKM. Alright, let's see. Oh, gee willikers. Woo! So yeah, unfortunately everything after I opened this box up was deleted. So my first impression was not caught on camera, unfortunately. We're going to try and reenact it again. DKM, Der Coupling Meister. Oh my god. There's a twin disc clutch in here. Let's see what there is. What is this box? Oh wow, there is a thingy that does stuff that be doing clutching and things like that. Ooh. Let me put this thing back. It's falling out the box. Oh no. Boom. I wonder what these are. Oh look, Loctite and stuff for the hardware. Thank you. I really needed these. Hey look, something else. This may be like that clutch tool thingy that people be putting in the middle to line everything up. Wow. Alright, let's put this down. And then, the piece de resistance. I'm so mad that I record this over again. It was so good the first time. Oh, my blood clot. That was actually real because this thing is heavy, no fuck. Yo. What could this button buckle at ya? Twin disc DKM clutch that will make the N54 hold all the torque, the N54 transmission hold all the torques. So my plan is to ultimately go to around 700 torque most likely. Let me put this down, probably is heavy as hell. But yeah, so should be getting to about like 700 torque or so eventually, way down the line, like 800, 850 horsepower. So that is why I need this. I was gonna get a stock clutch and just do it, but I'm like, why would I buy that and then have to upgrade it in the future? So I might as well just buy this and just do it once, do it right, and do it nice. Because I'm building my dream E36 this time. We're not selling it. We're not doing any of that. It's just gonna get done once, done right, and done nice. We're gonna do everything that I've always wanted to do. We got the bags. We are getting the seats. We're getting the what do you call it? We're getting some wheels. We're getting the interior. We're doing custom interior stuff. We already got the double din. We did a whole bunch of stuff so far. So yeah, and we got the big brakes. We got the 6-speed trans. Like the silver E36 that I had before was the perfect start, but me being stupid, I sold it. So we're not even gonna get into that. But this time, we're gonna do everything that we want. This is gonna get done once, done right, and done nice. Like, I'm really excited for this build, and granted, I'm like a very monotone person. You probably just can't tell my excitement, but I'm very excited and I'm very happy about this, and I really can't wait. So I'm gonna send everything to John. We got a whole bunch more parts coming, and yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait for this. This is gonna be great. So with the E36, I see some more things that I haven't told you guys, but that's not going to deter us. We're going to just get them fixed. We're going to do a whole bunch of custom stuff. We're going to have this car looking right. Like, I'm really, really, really excited, and I just can't wait for this to I just can't wait for this to be 6-speed swapped and have the transmission and braking and everything dialed in. Because after that, like, I'm already looking, but after that, I have a couple options. Like, I could buy a block that's already built and just put a cut ring head gasket, S52 cams, or like some 256 cams or 264, whatever it is, some cams. I could probably like do like some springs, valves, and retainers, maybe, or maybe even upgrade those down the line. But or even throw a stock head on there with the cut ring gasket or whatever. Like, I may do that, and I may just run it so the block is all set, and I could upgrade a separate head over time, like the head that's in the car, something. Who knows? But what we're trying to do is get like the best E36. Like, granted, I don't have all the money in the world. I am nothing near that, but with some dedication, some hard work, and some time, and a good team behind me, like John, I really appreciate John. Like, I always see people build all these cars and stuff like that, but they have like a really good team and a really big team behind them and a lot of people supporting them and stuff like that. But the main person, like, besides myself, who's supporting me do this is John. Like, he's giving me like such good prices. Like, I would not be able to do a lot of this stuff if it wasn't for him. So that's why, like, I genuinely like promote his stuff. Like, his work is unmatched. His prices are unmatched. This dude's really a beast. So like, yeah, I really appreciate John, because John is like, especially with like the E92, like getting that supercharged, like people were telling me wild prices and wild things that I would have to do and everything like that. And I was just like, bro, I won't be able to afford that. Like, and it was just for simple stuff and like the methanol kit, like just the way this dude works and his ethic and his prices. This dude's like a very solid dude. So yeah, hopefully you see this, John. But yeah, I appreciate you, bro, because you're definitely making this possible. Like, you're helping me make this possible, because literally, besides you, nobody else is really like supporting me with this build, like work-wise or price-wise or anything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We got a lot more stuff to do. Like, yeah, there's a lot to do, a lot to get, but we're gonna get it done, and this car is gonna be sick. Like, yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you need an OBD2 diagnostic device that could also code your car, Carly is the one, because they are also a supporter of the channel. We just partnered. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking more about that. Hopefully I have the product in hand. If not, I'll have the product in hand soon. But I'm going to be using that as well as some other stuff, because we're going to be doing a... You know what? I'll catch you guys in the next video. You'll see. Link for Carly will be in the description, though. Thanks for watching.